OnePlus 15 versus Poco F8 Ultra. Starting with display, the Poco F8 Ultra boasts a slightly larger 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with an eye-popping peak brightness of 3500 nits, making it unbeatable for outdoor visibility. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 15's 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED shines with a 165 Hz refresh rate and TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Protection 5.0 certification, offering smoother visuals and superior eye comfort. The Poco's ultra-high brightness wins for sheer visibility, but OnePlus delivers a more refined, power-efficient experience with better color depth and ultra-narrow bezels. Both phones run on the exact same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 4.6 GHz and Adreno 840 GPU, meaning raw power and gaming performance are neck and neck. There's no clear winner here, so the choice depends more on software optimization and user preference than hardware capability. OnePlus 15 impresses with its AI Plus Mind for smart information capture, a dedicated AI button, and a glacier cooling system to maintain peak performance. Poco F8 Ultra counters with Bose-tuned stereo speakers, HyperOS 3 on Android 16, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Both bring unique perks. OnePlus leans into AI and multitasking, while Poco focuses on audio quality and security. The Poco F8 Ultra's main camera sensor is larger at 11.31 inches with f1.7 aperture, promising better low-light shots and sharper images compared to OnePlus 15's 11.56-inch sensor with f1.8 aperture. Plus, Poco offers 5x optical zoom versus OnePlus's 3.5x, giving it an edge in telephoto shots. Video capabilities are similar, but Poco's ultra-slow motion at 1920 fps adds creative flair. OnePlus 15 stands out with its AI detail boost and reflection eraser, enhancing photo clarity and reducing unwanted glare. Poco F8 Ultra counters with a robust night mode, portrait mode, and motion tracking focus for dynamic shots. While OnePlus focuses on AI-powered photo cleanup, Poco delivers versatile shooting modes for varied scenarios. The OnePlus 15 packs a massive 7300 mAh battery, significantly larger than Poco's 6500 mAh, promising longer usage and less frequent charging. This makes OnePlus the clear choice for power users who prioritize endurance. OnePlus 15 features a glass front with Gorilla Victus 2 and a fiber-reinforced plastic back, blending durability with lightweight design. Poco F8 Ultra opts for a glass front with an aluminum frame, offering a more premium feel but potentially more weight. The choice here boils down to personal preference between sturdiness and premium materials. Both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, but OnePlus 15 goes a step further with IP69 certification, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets. This extra ruggedness might appeal to those needing serious durability. OnePlus 15 offers more RAM options, going up to 16 GB with a maximum of 1 TB storage, while Poco F8 Ultra maxes out similarly but with fewer RAM variants. This gives OnePlus an edge in customization for power users seeking top-tier multitasking. Price-wise, the Poco F8 Ultra starts around $800 plus, making it more budget-friendly compared to the OnePlus 15's $900 tag. For those balancing specs with cost, Poco presents a compelling value proposition.